how to change Uber Eats bicycle to car. First things first, if you're going to be doing the process via the application in Google Play Store, ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. You could actually get this done for both laptop or PC and as well as via the application. Now, there's not going to be an instant option for you to be able to just immediately update your current vehicle on Uber Eats driver. What you want to do is to send a request. To do so, just simply head straight into opening the Uber app and navigate to your account settings, and then just simply follow the on-screen prompts. Be prepared to provide required requirements like the specific um, vehicle that you will be switching to, and then just simply wait for the approval from Uber to update your account. So those are the things that you need to do for you to be able to change Uber Eats bicycle into car.